Oh, this is kind of zesty. Yeah. Everyone see you later.
I'ma keep on grinding till I'm paid in full. I made a lot of money just to waste it all. And I know my papa pissed that I ain't save it all. And I know my mama pissed that I ain't stay in school. Cause money it comes, money it goes. Something like sun and the rain and the snow. I'm back on the grind so you can hear all of the pain in my flow. Having these dreams of whipping the foreign, a house on the beach, someone is foreign. Wake up the next morning, I slam on my Jordans. I'm chasing the money, I'm going for it. I wake up early every morning. Smoke that London lemon, lean it got me faded while I'm yawning. I wake up, I mean I don't woke up by money, she'll be calling. I'm in love with Lizzie, Cupid got me falling down. I woke up and headed straight over to Lizzie. I wake up, I mean I go woke up by money, she'll be calling. I'm in love with Lizzie, Cupid got me falling. Having zeros in your bank don't make you. Don't let them numbers play you. Those days when you were broke as fuck, those were the days that made you. When you was grinding for that bread and butter, surrounded by them shutters. Man, we from the gutter. Now we out here, we on. We going hard till we gone. And get them private jets in my house looking like a holiday resort. That brand new modern day decor. That marble grey floor. That shit right there is all a dream. That's what the fuck we work for. Okay, run, nigga, run. Forrest Gump to that money. Try and slow me down, get Michael Jordan jump for that money. I go dumb for that money. Dumb for that money. Profit on top of profit, Donald Trump kind of money. Okay, before I sleep at night, I stare up at the sky. I see the stars, they aligning. I know the man.
Everyone else that comes to Dubai takes a picture of that when it's on, and I did the same. But have you ever seen it off? No? Didn't think so. Also go in the wrong lane for no reason. Sunrood just left the after party. Man went in front of us. Yo, who do you think you are? John Lumley?
The name's E1. We're here, we're vlogging, we're in Chinatown. We're in Chinatown with Lumley Alina. We're here with Bizzleman. We're here with Evan. And we're acting.
Ain't stressing done, I'm still wetting done. All things what I'm stepping on.
And the only thing about my master plan, you wrapped it, buddy. Lumley, no, the window, Keelia, she wants the Lumley. Look at you, slender man, look at that. In the town with Lumley. Yo, people are really doing stuff. Yo, this place is crazy, dog. Oh, is this real? Are we in the real place, right? Wait, come on. Go to the shisha. Come on. Sprite in my hand.
Oh, has it got Pepsi back?
Life is good. Ray-Bans on, real. Broad day robbery. First one to commit a crime in Dubai. This guy. Wait, in turtle mode. Retrieve the keys. Good boy.
It's Bizzle, it's Lumley, it's me.
You choose.
Wait. KFC.
What do you want? A corn dog? Yeah. And you asked me if it's small. Why? What are you gonna?
I just want
you give me cheese out of it.
Why like?
I can't show it. They're sharing a dinghy boat. You trying to come over to my country, mate? No way. 1080D. That looks like Lumley's cousin up there. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. We're sleeping in the restaurant. Just had some nice Chinese food. Yo, you're on camera, bro. The plane.
Oh, you fucked me.
What's manual?
That's also important and start thinking.
Hey! E1! Habibi, come to Dubai, you get me? Hey! We're sending it, boys and girls!